Hey there. Have you ever thought about investing in rental real estate? Or do you want to know how everybody's making their money by doing so? Well, here I'm going to discuss the 6 benefits of investing in rental real estate and how that can impact you. So, the first 2 benefits are going to be related directly to the income you receive from your tenant. Okay, so every month your tenant's paying you their rent, you've got expenses on top of that, and you've got a mortgage payment. You take out your expenses and mortgage payment from the tenant's rent, and that's going to give you a leftover amount of cash you get to put in your pocket every month. That builds up over time. Okay, so there you've got your cash flow. That's money you're getting and putting in your bank account every month, every year from operating your rental property. Okay. Second benefit is that rent that you're receiving is also being used to pay off your mortgage, make your mortgage payment. Okay, so even though that is an expense to you that you're taking out of your cash flow, it still is being paid down over time by your tenant. So your debt on the property is going down over time, and you are one day, if you refinance or sell it, whatever it is, you've got that amount of equity left in the home. Third and fourth benefits are going to be tax advantages. Okay, so with a normal business, you've got expenses, and you just deduct those normal expenses off of your tax returns, off your income, and you don't pay taxes on that money. Okay, so buying a rental property is going to be a little bit different. They don't allow you to deduct the entire amount all at once, although that would be great. They say the home has a life expectancy of 27 and a half years. I don't know how they came up with that number, and of course it doesn't make sense because we know homes don't just degrade over to nothing over 27 and a half years. Anyways, you take the value of the home, not the lot. You take out the value of the land from the entire purchase, so you have just the home, the value of the structure. You divide that by 27.5, and that number is what you get to deduct every year from your income on your tax returns. And so that's a further advantage, extra money you don't have to pay on your income every year. The other tax advantage is going to be the ability to deduct your interest on the loan you're paying from your taxes as well. So, the bank is charging you for the loan via an interest rate. That interest you pay every year, every month, is going to be further deducted from your income, and you don't have to pay any taxes on it. Fifth benefit is going to be the appreciation on the home. Every year, without you making any improvements to the home, maybe you're maintaining it, but you're not making any improvements, it's just sitting there. Your home value is going to go up every year on average. On average here in Charlottesville, it's about 4 to 5% annually. So that means, and this is going to happen with any home, doesn't not just because it's a rental property, but any home. And so let's just say you have a $300,000 house. So with that appreciation rate of about 4%, 5 years, it's going to be worth $350,000. So there you've gained $50,000 in equity in your home by just having it, but you're still getting all the other benefits, tax advantages, cash flow, etc., by owning and operating the rental property. The final benefit is going to be the ability to refinance your loan and pull all your equity out from the value of the house. Okay, so your mortgage payment has stayed the same. The debt has gone down on the loan, but your home has also gone up in value. So you've got this huge gap now that you've created, which is your equity, and now you refinance your loan. You pull that cash back out. Not going to pay any taxes on it. You get to pull the cash back out. You take that money, make another down payment on a home, and now you've got your second rental property. And this is where things can start snowballing, and you can grow your portfolio. You get more homes, and it all came from that one down payment on the first home. And this is how real estate wealth is generated, and how people can really set themselves up long term for some great for great wealth. And if you have any questions about it, please shoot me a message, leave me a comment. I'm happy to discuss further. I'm going to be having some more videos coming out. They're going to go down, do a little bit of a deep dive, go in detail in each one of these more with some examples to help you understand everything a little bit better.